siguro as closing message natin, ano ba ang pwede mong maging message sa mga psychology students or students who wants to pursue this kind of field na pag ng mga programs, mga learning and development programs.
Okay.
What are your what is your message?
Yeah. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity. A disclaimer, this is another message from nobody lang naman. But if you take it to heart, it's up to you. I mean, if you take it to heart, thank you so much. If not, it's okay. I understand. But perhaps my message siguro for aspiring psychology students who want to be in this crusade that we have, na this very challenging, thankless crusade of trying to make better organizations. Know your purpose. Bakit nyo ba talaga gustong gawin to? Know your why. Wala na sa equation dapat yung pera. You should really strongly believe that if you do this for organizations, for individuals, there's something good to this na hindi nyo man mismo personally ma-experience in your lifetime, but at least this is something that you started. Na at least on your deathbed, masasabi mo na, yeah, I mean, it's tough, but I did my best. And it's up to the next generation na kung magpipiggyback ba sila dito, iko-continue ba nila, but at least in my lifetime, I did my best. To tell you honestly, everything that we're doing right now at Smart Speech, everything na ginagawa kong personal advocacies ko din, I already accepted that I may not experience this in my lifetime. In fact, one of my dreams, kung sa organizations lang naman, I've been dreaming for so long already that there will come a day na wala nang organizations ang wiwelgahan. Wala nang mga organizations ang kakasuhan kasi these organizations, all of them already have genuine leaders, purposeful leaders, leaders who are very much willing to sacrifice, very much willing to be promoted not only because of the money, but because they understand that they are parents to these people na under their care. Na leaders who understand that there's more to this. I mean, Jesus Christ is the best leader, di ba? I mean, alam mo yan, if we want to talk about religion and faith. And what he did was, you know what he did? Alam mo kung anong ginawa niyan. So, I mean, grabe, di ba? So, that framework alone,